Bluetooth device not showing up on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max, it can't find any nearby Bluetooth devices. Here's how to fix it in seconds. First of all, make sure the Bluetooth device that won't pop up is actually in pairing mode. So follow the instructions for the device, and in most cases, you'll need to press and hold the pairing button until the device is discoverable. Then it will pop up on your iPhone. If it doesn't pop up, then let's force restart our iPhone, which can fix any software glitches and may as well solve the problem. For this, short press the volume up, then quickly the volume down, and then hold down the side button and keep holding until your phone turns off and the Apple logo appears. If the problem persists after the restart, then your Bluetooth device may be already paired to some other one. And to fix this, what you can do is reset the Bluetooth device. And after you have reset it, it should appear on your iPhone settings automatically. Some of your iPhone's content and privacy restrictions can also cause this issue. So let's open up settings, scroll down to screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions, and from here, first make sure Bluetooth sharing is not disabled, or you can also turn off content and privacy restrictions altogether and see if that helps. Is the device still not appearing? Then what is necessary is trying another Bluetooth device and see if that one is discoverable. If the other device pops up, then you know it's not your iPhone and the device that you're trying to pair. But unfortunately, if your iPhone is unable to find any Bluetooth devices, there's a chance that it's an hardware error, and you can find it out yourself if you boot up your iPhone in Diagnostics mode. So if you're willing, then first turn off your iPhone, and while it's turned off, hold down both the volume buttons, and while holding the buttons, you'll need to insert the charging cable. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Now let go, and you'll be in Diagnostics and Repair mode. Now unplug the power cable, press continue, connect your Wi-Fi and tap on Run Diagnostics. Choose the first option, let it finish, and you should see the Bluetooth report. If it shows an error, then your iPhone probably needs repairs. But if it shows green, then you can get out of the recovery mode by pressing on the three dots, exit Diagnostics, exit, and when your phone boots up, you can first try resetting the network settings or all settings. And if that doesn't work, you can also contact Apple support from the support app. And that's all. Let us know how it went, and I'll see you around.